Today we are getting to know our CAV normal stainless steel hinges and soft close stainless steel hinges, mostly used in the cabinets in bathroom, lab and wet environment, etc. Let's take a look at this cabinet hinges. It is two-way normal stainless steel hinges. And this is our fixed type. The base pole is not removable, with soft close function. And here is the removable base plate soft close stainless steel hinges. Then what's the difference between our CAV cabinet hinges and the one in the market? First is the finish. The workmanship is very good. Then check the backwork. It is chrome plated, rather than nickel plated in the market. The rusted function is better. Second is the damper, made by Cooper, can hardly get rusted, as we all know. Especially for 165-degree cabinet hinges, we can make it stainless steel as well as your request. Check it here. It can rarely find in the market while the demand become higher and higher recently. Another option is that we can install the LED light together with the soft close stainless steel hinges. It is closed softly, and when we open the door, the LED would light up the inside cabinet. For the shower room, such a wet circumstance, stainless steel hinges series is your very right choice. If you installed the iron hinge, it will get rusted for less than 6 months due to the water vapor. Instead of our soft close stainless steel hinges, with high rust-proofed function, closed softly without any noise. That's to say, stainless steel hinges usually used in the environment full with water vapor, like shower room, boat and lab, etc.